In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a signature into Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Google Docs is available in your web browser at docs.google.com or through Google Drive if you already have your document saved. Once you open it, you'll be inside the editor where all the main tools are found at the top. To add a signature, open your document, click Insert, then go to Drawing and select New. This opens a drawing window where you can create your signature. In the toolbar, click Line and choose Scribble. Then use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature. If needed, you can redo it until it looks right. When you're done, click Save and Close, and your signature will be added to the document. You can resize it or move it into place. If you want to use an existing signature instead, click Insert, then Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Select your signature file and insert it. You can then adjust its size and position. And that is how you insert a signature into Google Docs. Thank you for watching the video.